So you have the first step. You need to get to there, right? Then you're going to hand it off, and you need to get to there. Okay? Now the one thing I was saying is that you get to do the elevators at the end. So you want the scissors to tweak the elevators.
I get the scissors.
Yes.
Yep.
So we have two pieces?
We make
So are we allowed to coordinate between each other? Or no?
Product owners, your job is going to be to get a plane as far as you can, right? So you can take multiple shots. We will keep track of who's the first. So Sabi, I need you to keep track of who's the first and the farthest.
Okay.
So what that means is product owners, you're going to want a plane fast because that can give you a bonus, and you're going to want the plane that can go the furthest. Team, you guys can build as many planes as you really want. You're not really. We should keep track of how much paper you use, and we'll take that into account.
Does that count against us?
No.
No, that will not count against you.
That's gone.
That's gone. So I'm thinking this is a fairly simple plane. So you guys think we can do this in 4 minutes?
I think so.
We think so?
Yeah.
All right.
It's time to negotiate. You can try to
Special
find.
guidelines?
Now
We can keep doing.
you can build as many as you want. We'll keep track of how much you build.
Yeah.
So we're 40 seconds in. So you have 4 minutes.
So we'll try to calculate the wastage too, right?
The what?
Wastage.
Oh, the weight.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, it's 3 minutes. Really, yeah, it doesn't, just one piece, whichever is furthest. Okay. So this is team one, first shot. Time is 2:32. That's still the winner right now. You know, Mark?
You want to take it back?
Yeah.
Okay,
Team
good.
3, first shot.
I saw you, John.
I'm posing for the camera.
That's okay. That's
I
okay.
flew it over there. It was
Just
over there.
leave
It's all
it.
technique. Why is it doing it differently here?
Yeah.
Well, let's do a third one for team one.
This is my second.
Second.
It's okay.
Wait,
You
is
are
that-
at least
Oh,
We're still
you're
there.
number
you're
one.
still ahead,
so far.
okay.
Yeah.
we got 29 seconds.
Okay.
We'll do a new design.
It's crazy, huh? This is the fun one.
All right.
How many loops can we do?
To me, the front ones should not be going
Sabi.
I didn't know they flew. But I tried out here a bit. One we did.
All right. I think we're gonna do this one again. I think we need redemption on this one. 1 minute, 20 seconds left. Real or test?
Testing.
Oh, you're number one.
Wish that one was
Can
real.
I transfer that to
No, I can mark it. You can shoot it again if it's real.
Yeah.
Real.
That's okay.
Real. Test. Real.
I'm just gonna go for it.
I think
Go
you're-
for it, Mike.
I think you guys are going crazy with test.
Okay.
30 seconds left.
Oh, I know how to get it.
This test plane?
Test.
Okay. Hard doesn't work.
Maybe the other way. The small one.
Real or test?
Real.
Go.
Just go.
Ooh, that's time.
Oh, give me a reel. Give me a reel. All right.
Time goes around. Get this.
Real.
Just shoot him. Just shoot him.
Reel.
This is time. Oh my goodness. Wow, there's a backlog.
Whose flight is this pink one?
That's mine.
No, time is up.
Double bomber.
Alright, if you're here, you get to shoot, and that's it. But there's no more testing.
Stand time out.
Oh my goodness, how many planes do you guys have?
This is a double bomber.
You had to throw them at the same time, right?
Nothing.
Whoa!
Almost.
You did it too hard. You didn't do it hard enough.
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
Ron, you're number one. Okay.
You gotta beat me.
Oh, you go ahead.
No, no, no.
I'm gonna
No,
watch.
no, no, no.
Why didn't it fly?
We're switching our
please.
definition of
Yeah, exactly.
allowed play here, but we might as well shoot the last
Is
one.
that the last one?
This is the,
And
Ah.
wow.
It's better.